Welcome to our journey through the Andromeda Galaxy, our Milky Way's closest spiral neighbor, located approximately 2.5 million light-years away. Recently, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has provided us with the most detailed panoramic view of Andromeda to date. This 2.5 gigapixel photomosaic reveals over 200 million stars, offering unprecedented insights into its structure and history. Through these observations, astronomers have discovered that Andromeda's evolutionary history is markedly different from that of the Milky Way. The galaxy's disk and halo structures suggest a unique formation and merger history, providing valuable comparisons to our own galaxy's past. Studies indicate that Andromeda experienced a significant merger with another galaxy approximately 2.5 to 4 billion years ago. This event not only shaped its current structure but also led to periods of active star formation, followed by a notable decline. Looking ahead, Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course, predicted to culminate in a merger about 4 or 5 billion years from now. This cosmic event will reshape both galaxies, potentially forming a new elliptical galaxy and triggering fresh waves of star formation. As we continue to explore Andromeda, each discovery not only unravels the mysteries of our neighboring galaxy, but also enhances our understanding of the... Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the Andromeda Galaxy.